How to clear cache in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. Now we in this app info. In other mobile cases, you can directly go inside the app information too. Now here on the right bottom, tap on clear all data, and here you'll be able to see OK. So simply tap on OK. So all the files and all the clear cache option has been deleted. So this will remove all the temporary files and you won't have the app lagging. Now you can simply go back and start opening and start coding. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.